I'm going to teach you how to create automations with Brevo. First, open app.brevo.com and sign into your account. You should land on your Brevo dashboard. In the main navigation, click Automations. This opens the Automations home where you can build workflows. Click the highlighted button to start a new automation. At the top, choose the most popular tab to preview template ideas, then select Pre-Built Automation Type to see what's available. For this walkthrough, we'll start fresh, so click Create from Scratch. You're now in the editor. At the top of the left panel, you'll see 3 categories: triggers, actions, and rules. Click Triggers to view ways a workflow can start. Switch to Actions to see what the automation can do. Then click Rules to explore filters and conditions. Click back to Triggers so we can set our starting point. Choose Contact Added to List. This means whenever a contact joins a list you choose, they'll enter this automation. Click the highlighted control to add that trigger to the canvas. Next, we'll add an action. Open the action section and click Add Contact to a list. This is just an example action you can swap later for something like sending an email. Use the highlighted option to place it after the trigger. Now add a wait step so people don't move instantly. Click the highlighted control to open timing options, then choose time delay. Use the highlighted fields to set the delay you prefer. Before we turn it on, check the other areas. Click the highlighted button to open settings and review basic details. Then click the highlighted stats option to see where performance will appear once it's live. Back in the editor, click Test. Use the highlighted control to run a quick test and confirm the path behaves as expected. When you're ready, click Activate Automation. That will switch it from draft to active. If you want to make one more change, click Back to Editor. When you're done, click Exit Editor and confirm by clicking Leave. That's it. You just created a simple Brevo automation from scratch. A trigger when a contact is added to a list, an action to manage the contact, and a time delay to pace the journey. After activation, any new contact who meets the trigger will enter automatically. As results come in, the stats view will populate, and you can return to the editor to refine delays, replace actions, or add rules without rebuilding the whole thing.